Hello everyone. Well, it's rough out there this morning. We're talking about wind chills around -10 in the region, and it's going to be staying cold all day today, but today is the worst of it. We are going to be warming up. So before we get to the good news in your weekend forecast, sponsored by NIPSCO, let's get the bad news out of the way. And that's an average high in Northwest Indiana today of just 12 degrees. 12 degrees. A normal high temperature for this time of year, 35. Way colder than we should be. And unfortunately, we're going to be dealing with breezy conditions for much of the day. It's already breezy out there this morning. I think it's going to stay breezy through the early afternoon, gusts around 20 miles per hour. So I don't think it's going to be feeling any warmer this afternoon than 5 degrees. That's it. That's what you need to be prepared for this afternoon. So -10 early this morning, the wind chills, around 5 this afternoon. At least it's going to be a dry day, a partly cloudy day. And then I do think in the late afternoon, the winds are going to start to die down. And early this evening will be the lightest winds. Well, let's really focus in on tonight's forecast because this is an odd night where our low temperatures are going to be during the early evening hours. So if you're planning on going out this evening, it's going to be around 7 degrees in the region. But you see that up arrow I have? That's because late tonight, a warm front is going to lift over us. So our temperatures are actually going to be rising tonight. We'll bottom out early this evening around 8, 9 o'clock, around 7 degrees, and then we'll be warming up. Now, fortunately, 8, 9 o'clock is also just before the warm front arrives. That's when we're going to have our lightest winds, 5 miles per hour. So the feels like temperature is still going to be around 5 degrees. So if you're going out 8, 9 o'clock this evening, plan on it feeling about 5 degrees in the region. If you're going to be staying out late tonight, it's actually going to get a little bit warmer. So this will be the worst of it, 8, 9 o'clock this evening, then gradually warming up. A dry night, partly cloudy, and then finally late tonight, the winds will start to pick up again. So not much wind at all early this evening, but late tonight, we'll start to see those gusts around 15 miles per hour again. And then check out Saturday afternoon. Already Saturday morning, we're going to be around 15 degrees in the region. And then by Saturday afternoon, back to normal for this time of year. A high of 36 in the region. The problem is the winds are going to continue to increase. And in the afternoon tomorrow, we're looking at gusts around 35 miles per hour. So it's not going to feel like 36. It's only going to feel like 26. That's a lot better, though, than 5 degrees, which is going to be our maximum wind chill today. So not as warm as we'd like, but definitely better than today. Saturday looks dry, just a partly cloudy day. Now, Saturday night does look mostly cloudy, but I still think it's going to be dry. Still no chance of rain or snow. The winds are going to die down compared to Saturday, but it is going to stay breezy Saturday night. Still looking at gusts around 20 miles per hour, but because of those mostly cloudy skies, notice our temperature does not drop very much from during the day side. We're just talking about a low of 30 degrees. So let's do a comparison of tonight versus Saturday night. 7 degrees versus 30 degrees. And actually, it's going to be a little bit warmer than that if you're going to be out Saturday evening because our low temperature Saturday night is going to occur when it normally does. Late Saturday night, early Sunday morning. So with both nights being dry, Saturday night looking like the better night to go out just because it's going to be significantly warmer out there. Finally, this brings us to Sunday. Partly cloudy, still dry, fortunately still windy. Not quite as windy as Saturday, but gusts around 30 miles per hour in the afternoon. But our temperatures continuing to climb. Now above normal for this time of year, a high of 40 degrees in the region, but only feeling like 32.